This is a little boat thermostat I built. The boat I have doesn't have a thermostat. Has a little battery. It should power the whole thing for like 16 hours, maybe more. 5-volt regulator, so I get some clean power. And then it has an LCD screen, Arduino, some caps. And then I chopped up this Ethernet cable and these little TMP, I think 36 at the end. And I'm just gonna jiffy weld these to the back of the motor. So it's on the outside of the coolant case, outside of the water jacket. On the back, 3 cylinders, so probably between the spark plugs. That's where I'll probe them. So right now I'm just heating up some water. And when this water starts boiling, I'm gonna stick the probes in and see what temperature it shows. It should be about 200 degrees, so, because, you know, water, 200, okay, 212, you know, but the calibration's a little off right now. I don't know if there's some resistance in here or I missed a solder, cold solder or something, but they read a little low right now. So it's 70 in the apartment. I don't have an on and off switch. But you can see it's definitely not 50 in here. I can grab one and they'll warm up, but we'll see. Okay, it's making boiling noises, so we're gonna go ahead. It's also a good test because, you know, engines get pretty hot. So it's in the surface. Ooh, let her go. Oil, I say. That's not bad. I mean, it's like 30 degrees low. 185. $186. And I guess I could just add 30 in the code, but problem is if it's a cold solder, it fixes itself, then I'll be over 30 tomorrow. Let's put the other in. Alright, you both can go in now. At least they're pretty similar. Maybe it's my reference point. If it's cold solder on one, it'd be different, but they're topping out around 15, 20, 25 degrees low, so I'll tweak that in the code. But yeah, wish me luck. I hope you guys like this. Carry on.